Today, I'm going to show you how you can integrate QuickBooks Desktop with Carrier TMS from SuperDispatch. In order to get started, click on the Profile menu in the bottom left-hand corner, then click Settings. Then navigate to the QuickBooks Integrations page. Click Get Started under QuickBooks Desktop. Our first step is to download the Qwc file. Click Download. We'll want to make sure to install the QuickBooks Web Connector. Once you've done that, open the Web Connector application. Then select Add an Application. From here, we'll want to select the Qwc file we just downloaded. Select OK. Then, in the QuickBooks dialog box, select Yes whenever this QuickBooks company file is open. Then Continue, then Done. Next, we'll want to enter the password listed in Step 8 of the instructions from SuperDispatch. Reopen the Web Connector. Click on the checkbox here. Then enter the password. Ours is 4044. Select OK, then Confirm. You also have the ability to enable an auto-run feature. You can auto-run the QuickBooks Web Connector in the background to update at selected intervals. I'll set 10 minutes for this example. Then select Update Selected. Now we have confirmation that QuickBooks is connected with SuperDispatch. The next thing we're going to want to do is to update our service items. Click Update Service Items. Reopen the Web Connector, then select Update Selected. Now our service items have been imported from QuickBooks. I'll select Auto Transport as my service item here. You also have the ability to import your contacts from QuickBooks Desktop into SuperDispatch. You can also enable the option to create a customer in QuickBooks Desktop automatically. What this means is that if the customer on the invoice does not exist in QuickBooks already, a new customer will be created in QuickBooks Desktop. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. We are happy to help.